welcome back to our channel. We are back with another one from my people over at Niawigs. All right, guys, we are coming back with Niawigs, and I love this wig bag, okay, as well as some headbands. So we are getting into, obviously, a headband wig unit. So this unit is super stunning. I am here with you all today with Miss Angeline. Angeline is absolutely beautiful. She is like an ombre unit, ombre down into blonde hair. And I really, really need you guys to get into this. Look at that chocolate sexy goodness. Dipping down and all into that honey blonde. Okay, get into that. Get into that. So again, this is a headband wig. She has one comb in the front, two on the sides, and one in the back, as well as adjustable straps for kind of forever. Now, this also comes with that Velcro band, okay, for your headband, just to make sure that mother is super duper secure. Now, I must say, and I'm going to take my time with this one, I absolutely, positively love this unit. Now, Niawigs comes through with the quality hair. This unit is going for in 22 inches, just under $260, and mother provides. Okay. Now, I have done quite a few headband wigs, but this new iteration of headband wigs I've been getting into it's another generation, and I'm feeling all of it. Now, this unit is relatively big head friendly, and I think that's partially because now that I've reviewed quite a few headband wigs, it's just making very much sense to me that because the unit can be pushed up or pulled back as far as you like, they have to account for that. So that's why these units usually come out and they feel a little bit bigger than usual. They're just trying to accommodate everybody. But this hair, mother, let's talk about what matters. You see that hair? The mammy tapping hair? That hair is the one, okay? That's something that I feel like we cannot argue about. This is some of the best quality hair, and I mean that curl held so mammy tapping good. I ain't even had to do nothing to it. So let's go ahead and get into these styles. wave of hairband wigs is doing something for me. Okay, so I've done quite a few hairband wigs, and honestly, I love this collection. Niawigs completely outdid themselves. I'm obsessed with the hair color. Bust up on her. The way that she kept her curl, I didn't even have to put any real heat on her or recurl her, and that's a big deal as well. Fresh up out the pack, and I'm outdone. This is mine. I love this. Like, I love what they're offering with this. You guys need to check out Niawigs, especially this new headband situation. I'm really feeling it. Like, really feeling it. I want you guys to like this new wave of like colored headband hair. Keeping it easy. I'm cute. I'm ready to go. She's a runaway girl. Let me tell you something. Let me know how you guys are feeling about this new wave of these headband wigs. I know we've done quite a few, but not one like this. Okay? And I'll see you beautiful mugs later. Bust down, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you all later. Bye.